Hello, today I'm going to tie a woolly bugger, a beginner level fly. The hook is a Mustad S8 2AP size 4. The thread is a Union Nylon 70 denier black. Start the thread behind the eye, leave a space, and wrap along the straight portion of the hook and trim the tag. Next, take a black marabou feather and strip the uneven fibers at the base of the stem. Next, take the marabou on top of the hook. The tail is the same length as the straight portion of the hook. Wrap the thread forward to the starting point and secure the marabou on top of the hook with edge-to-edge wraps. Next, take a piece of black ultra chenille and strip a section of the material down to the core. Secure it underneath the hook. Have it so the edge of the material is even with the base of the tail and trim the excess. Next, take a hen neck black hackle, peel off the fibers at the base of the stem. Take a hackle plier, clamp it on the stem and hold the tip and fold the hackle. Next, tie the folded hackle by the tip at the base of the marabou tail. Secure and wrap the thread forward to the starting point. Next, wrap the chenille forward edge to edge along the threaded portion of the hook and secure and trim the excess. Next, wrap the folded hackle forward on a slight angle and evenly spaced. Once you reach the end of the chenille body, wrap the remaining hackle as a collar and secure by the stem. Trim the stem, build up the thread, whip finish, trim, and add the head cement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the like button to see more fly tying videos.